Today on Face the Nation, the head of Bank of America predicted that the U.S. economy would experience a mild recession later this year in spite of a job market that remains red hot. CBS's Mark Strassmann has more on that.
The bill is passed.
Turmoil averted by Washington's treasured blueprint, governing by crisis.
The great news for Americans right now is that we avoided the catastrophe of hitting the debt ceiling. I think the troubling news is that we came that close.
But like Washington, the rest of us have bills to pay. Good news first, spending consumers keep creating more jobs. Employers added another 339,000 jobs in May. Gains in healthcare, construction, leisure, and hospitality. But still not enough job seekers for restaurateur Nick Osborne.
We are in need of some extra depth, and it has been hard to find that extra depth for sure.
But there were also layoffs in the tech sector and a sharp rise in black unemployment that pushed up the overall jobless rate. It's a snapshot of a complicated, wobbly economy with stubbornly high inflation and the specter of a recession. Pessimism's having a late spring to remember. In a recent Gallup poll, 55% of people believe their financial situation is only fair or poor. Half say it's worsening. Fewer Americans, less than 2 in 3, have $400 squirreled away for an emergency.
And that's the bonus to you.
For house hunters, that struggle hits home. Loan applications down roughly 30% from a year ago. Why? Rising interest rates, now just under 7%, tightening credit, and cities like Orlando have a startling lack of inventory. 1/3 the sellers this market needs.
They don't want to leave because they don't want to give up their interest rate.
For the first time in more than a year, the Fed is expected to hold rates steady at its regular meeting later this month. Like everyone, uncertain whether this economy is stabilizing. Sharika?
Thanks, Mark Strassmann, for us tonight.